Hey everyone, Saren here from Low and Slow Basics, and we're going to be doing an overnight brisket cook. So I'm going to keep it pretty short and sweet because it's about 8:30. The kids are in bed, so I can't be too loud. So we're going to fire up the Masterbuilt and get this thing going overnight, and hopefully wake up in the morning and she'll be ready to wrap, rest, and serve for lunch. So we'll fire up the Masterbuilt and get it going. Right, so the brisket went on at 9 PM last night, and at 7 o'clock this morning I had a check of the hopper and it was running pretty low, so I topped it up and I pushed it up to 270 degrees Fahrenheit from 225, so it's good that the hopper lasted 10 hours overnight. Right, so it's been 13 hours in total now. We ran it at 10 hours at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the last 3 hours at 275. It's now at about that 200 degrees Fahrenheit internal mark, and it's probing really nicely. So we'll open it up and have a look. Alright, so now it's done. We're going to wrap it in some butcher's paper, rest it in an esky for about an hour or two until we're ready to serve it for lunch. Alright, so the brisket has had a nice rest. We'll start from this end, so that's where the flat's ending and going into the point. So we'll get a few nice slices off there, and we'll turn it around and cut into the point. So I'm excited. Wow. It's like a waterfall there. Let's have a closer look at that, eh? I'll get another few slices from the flat end. Beautiful. Now we'll slice it down the middle. That's going to be incredible. Might even dice it a little bit up for some burnt ends and enjoy it for lunch with some friends. So that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching. Highly recommend that Masterbuilt. Made an overnight cook super easy. So yeah, we'll see you next time. Cheers.